Hey, welcome to Tortilla Takeover. My name's Kevin, and tonight I'm going to show you something special with the $1.49 Sonic Chicken Bites. I'm going to show you what I did with these. I mean, $1.49, couldn't pass it up. They're worth it. Normally they're close to $5. I would never buy them. Or you can get your favorite chicken nuggets, whatever you like. Get them from a grocery store. Get them from wherever you like to get chicken nuggets. Except that McD's place. Those aren't real chicken. Anyway, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this into this. That's right, Nashville Hot Chicken Tacos. Oh, let me show you how I made these, then we'll come back and do a taste test. All right, so this is what we're doing for the Nashville Hot Chicken Tacos. I've got my chicken from Sonic, $1.49 on their special today. You can get them on their deals for $1. Otherwise, I wouldn't buy them. They're almost $5 for like 6-7 pieces. Got some coleslaw. I was going to use some Sweet Baby Ray's Nashville Hot, but it must have just been a, I don't know, seasonal thing. Anyway, Hidden Valley Ranch has this Nashville Hot. And see those hot peppers at the top? I'll tell you what, this stuff is spicy. All right? I usually like my tacos with corn tacos, but I have these taco, regular corn tortilla size. They call them gordita size, but taco size flour tortillas. You got Nashville Hot, you got to have some pickles, right? And then I'm going to actually add some Cotija cheese and some of my Red Chile Honey. If you've got hot honey, you can add that too. All right, so let's get this chicken chopped up, the tortillas heated, put them together and enjoy them. The first thing I'm going to do is, look at that, $1.49. If they charge almost $5 for that, I don't know. So I'm just going to cut these in half, just so they fill up the tortilla a little better. This one here I'll do thirds. You cut them into bite-sized pieces. And this looks like it's going to make like 2 tacos. All right, we'll do half in one, half in the other, and we're good to go. Now, all we got to do is heat up the tortillas. So I got just a tiny bit of oil in a pan. I'm going to heat these up real quick, and looks like I'm going to have to do one at a time. Okay, and if you want to, if you're brave enough, you like garlic, you want to kick it up a notch, I'm going to sprinkle just a tiny bit of garlic powder in there, and that will add an extra layer of flavor. Okay, just takes about a minute. You just want to soften them up, maybe crisp them a tiny bit. You don't need as much oil as I put in there. I ended up dabbing most of it off. You just need a tiny bit of oil in there. You could even do it without oil. All right, I'm going to get the next one done and we'll build these tacos. Let's get them built. Get your tortilla down. We're going to get some coleslaw down. Just the coleslaw. Then I'm going to get some of this Nashville Hot Ranch by Hidden Valley Ranch. I'm going to get that on the coleslaw. It's hot, so if you don't want it very spicy, be careful when you're putting your chicken bites on there. All right, so I'm going to have it spicy. I'm going to add a little bit more sauce on top. And of course, if you get Nashville chicken, you got to have your pickles on top. Don't forget the pickles. You can put jalapenos if you want it even hotter, but I'm thinking these pickles are going to do the trick. All right, we're going to put a little bit of Red Chile Honey on here. Like I said, you can use a hot honey. We'll just kind of drizzle it on. Give it that extra pop. All right, and then I'm going to top it off with some Cotija cheese. Fold it over. And look at that. There is your Nashville Hot Chicken Taco right there. Look at that. All right, let me get this other one built. And yeah, we're going to do a taste test of this. Hold on. Okay, how easy was that? That was probably the fastest Nashville Hot Chicken Tacos that you've ever seen made. Look at that. I used flour tortillas instead of corn. Just use the taco size. All right, let's take a taste of these. I know they're gonna be hot. That Hidden Valley Ranch Nashville hot dressing is pretty darn hot. All right, here we go. Mmm. Wow. Okay. Get you some chicken nuggets. Make these. They're super easy, super tasty. Serve them with whatever side you like. Thanks for checking out Tortilla Takeover. Hope to see you on the next video.